Hello guys, welcome to See Geeks. Today our topic is how you can create your own YouTube channel for earnings. If you have not already subscribed our channel, please like our videos and subscribe Computer Geeks. Guys, as you know, there are millions of people who have created their own YouTube channels and uploading their content, their techniques, their talent on YouTube and earning handsome amount. So today we will see how you can create an efficient and good YouTube channel for earnings. First of all, you need to explore what you are making, what you want to upload on YouTube channel. The content must be your own and there would be no copyright issue on your content. So there are two requirements for YouTube channel. First of all, you need to create a Gmail account. Almost everyone have their own Gmail account. Second, you need to create a channel. So let's start a lesson. So we are going to create a Gmail account so that we can create YouTube channel. Go into Gmail. If you have your own Gmail account, you can sign in, but I will create it for your learning. Create an account. Put name John Kane. You can select username for your own choice. Suppose I want to add this username. This is already taken. I need to select another one. Suppose again 2022. Now this is okay. System has accepted. No one have this type of username. Then set password for your email account, Gmail account. This password should be alphabets, special character and numbers. Again, you need to re-enter. These are the instructions you can follow. Then next, we have created successfully. Then select your date of birth. Suppose Jan 01 2000 and gender male. Next. So these are agreements. You can read. You can take a print and read it thoroughly. I agree. Gmail account has been created successfully. So in first step, we have created a Gmail account successfully. Next, you need to create a channel. So we are going to create a channel, YouTube channel. Go into browser, then type YouTube/create a channel. This is a web page for channel creation. Now this is the dialog to create a channel. Name of your channel, like suppose I want to health. I want to create a channel regarding healthcare. Select a proper picture for your channel. I have already downloaded. I'll select this one. Done. Picture has been set. Proper name, picture, then create a channel. You have to wait a little bit so that all the relevant processes should be completed. YouTube is going to create your channel. So after some moments, YouTube has successfully created our channel named as healthcare. This is a whole theme, whole dashboard for your channel. You need to interact with this dashboard. There is important to understand all the dashboard, how to upload videos, and most important, customize your channel so that you can set your channel, you can customize your channel, the world can explore, the audience can explore your channel and your talent, what you are going to show the world. So we are going to explore these menus: home, your home settings, you will explore your shorts, your uploaded shorts, your subscriptions, library, history, your videos. All the videos which you are going to upload will reside in this windows, in this tab, content. So this is all about dashboard. Watch later options like videos, music, sports, gaming options, news, and this is a creator options. This tool is creator studio. Music, kids, you can create cartoons and especially videos for kids. YouTube TV settings, more settings, and now you are the part of creator studio program. So next, in main dashboard home, all the relevant options and displays, banners will display here. In home, videos, your uploaded videos, your playlist will reside in this tab. Channel, all the channel details and other channels linked to your channel, your account, about, this is about of your channel. Create a video, you can upload a video from this menu, this tab. Now this is you can select a file to upload a video. I have another Geek to explore how you can properly upload a YouTube video. You can look and learn from there. So again we are going to our dashboard. So again we are going to back from main dashboard. Customize channel. The next important option is customize channel. Please don't ignore this options. This is the main option from your channel settings. Layout. The first one is layout. Channel trailer. You can add a trailer for your channel so that your subscriber can look and attract from your trailer. Feature video. You can add a feature video for subscribers. You can add feature sections, short video, and intro, extra, introductions, and final theme of your video you can upload here. Branding. You can check the branding for your channel. I have already uploaded a picture at my logo. Banner image. You can upload a banner image. Suppose I have this one. So image should be 10242 567. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. Currently picture is little bit, so we will change it later. So video watermark, the watermark you want to add here in every video you can upload here. Every video contains this watermark for copyright options. Basic info. Now the most important and basic, you need to add the description for your channel. Suppose my channel is healthcare. Hello all. This channel, you need to add the description, proper and clear description for your channel. session for in this way you can add descriptions, you can add language, must select language, English, channel name already, so this is a whole translation language. You can select any other language as a subtitle of your translation, like I can select French as a translation language. Channel description in that language you can add. I can copy this content to here, channel name again in that language. This must be in that specific French language. Currently I am in writing in English, so translation and subtitle language has been selected. URL system has already created add link. You can add links for your sites, your websites, your business sites here. You can put email address here for your channel so that audience can contact with you. So after the uploading of layout, branding and basic info, you need to publish your all options and settings. Now each and every option has been set and the description, the language have been selected. Now this is the main dashboard for your channel. Now you can start uploading video from here. Thanks guys for watching and learning.